Meet the latest addition to the A series. With its comfortable design and dynamic patterns, the A31 comes in 4 different colors. Its vibrant options are black, white, blue, and red. It has a large 6.4-inch display measured from edge to edge. It has an Infinity U display and a front selfie camera with 20 megapixels. See further. Take clear and bright photos day or night with a high-resolution 48 megapixel main camera. See more in one shot using the 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. Stand out by creating delicate live focus portraits with our depth camera. And see every detail close up using our 5 megapixel macro camera. And don't worry about your phone dying, because you can use your phone longer throughout your day with our awesome, long-lasting 5,000 milliamp battery. A series is accessible, affordable, and awesome for everyone.